The next topic is solution of an equation. So what is solution of an equation? If you have any equation and you have to find the solution of that equation, how will you find? First of all, see that if you have any equation in one variable, like I am giving you 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is an equation in one variable only, linear equation in one variable. Now I have to find the solution of this equation. By finding the solution means I am finding the value of variable which will satisfy the given equation. For your convenience, I am taking here 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now see, I have to find the value of x because 5 and 10 are constants. These quantities will not change. So I will find the value of only variable here x that will satisfy the given equation, and that value of variable will be solution of this particular equation. So how can I find? If I put x is equal to minus 2, okay, x is equal to minus 2, put x is equal to minus 2. So 5 multiply minus 2 plus 10 is equal to 0. 5 multiply minus 2, it will give you minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 0. In left hand side, cancels. 0 is equal to 0. It means both of the sides of equation is, both of the sides of the given equation are equal. So equation is satisfied. So x is equal to minus 2 is satisfying the equation. It means x is equal to minus 2 is a solution of the given equation. Or you can find the given the solution of equation as 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. And you have to find the value of x. How will you find? 5x is equal to, now this 10 will go to that side with minus sign. So x is equal to minus 10 and this 5 will go to that with division. So it will give you minus 2. So the solution for a linear equation in one variable is this, x is equal to minus 2. See here, if you have a linear equation in one variable, then you will get a unique solution only. Unique solution means you will get only one value of the variable that will satisfy the equation. If I put x is equal to 0, 5 multiply 0, it will give you 0. 0 plus 10, which will be equal to 10. But 10 is equal to 0. Is it correct? No. So linear equation in one variable has only one solution, that is unique solution. Now our chapter is linear equation in two variables. So I am writing here the general form of linear equation. I am taking one equation in two variables like 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, now see, if I have to find the solution of this equation, how will we proceed? How will we find? Solution means the value of these two variables. Solution means the value of these two variables that will satisfy the given equation. Okay, if I am putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, 2 multiply 1 will give you 2 plus 3 multiply 1 will give you 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is equal to 6. It is wrong. It means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is not satisfying the given equation. But if I am putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2, put 2 multiply 0 will give you 0 plus 3 multiply 2 will give you 6 is equal to 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 is equal to 6. Both sides are correct. Both sides are equal. It means by putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2, the equation is satisfied. So I can say that x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Why? Because it is satisfying. Now, how will we write the solution? if x is equal to 0, we will write the solution in ordered pair. Why in ordered pair? Because there are two variables now. First is x and second is y. Okay, so first x, write the value of x. X is 0 and y is now 2. So 0 comma 2 is a solution of equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, understand? 0 comma 2 is a solution. Why? Because it is satisfying the given equation. It is making balance. Now, is there any one solution or other solutions are there? Let us find. Okay, if I put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. 2 multiply 3. It will give you 6 plus 3 multiply 0. It will give you 0 is equal to 6. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. So both sides are equal. So you find that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0 is also satisfying our equation. It means 3 comma 0, it implies x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. 3 comma 0 is also a solution of equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So we find that 0 comma 2 and 3 comma 0 are two solutions. Now what about other solutions? Are there more than 2 or only 2? Let us find. If I take 2x, if I take x is equal to 1, put x is equal to 1. So 2 multiply 1 plus 3 multiply y is equal to 6. So 2 plus 3y is equal to 6. It will give you 3y is equal to 6 minus 2, which is 4. So y is equal to 4 by 3. So see here, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4 by 3 is also a solution of above equation. So in this manner, you can find many more solutions. If you put x is equal to 2, then you will get corresponding value for y. If you put y is equal to 2, then you will get corresponding value for x. And in this manner, you can find so many solutions, so many values of x and y that will satisfy this equation. So I can say that, linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. What do you understand by infinitely many solutions? Infinitely means there are so many solutions. Infinite means you cannot count how many solutions are there. There are countless solutions to a linear equation in two variables. Okay.